In this video, you will see how to set single bottom border in Excel. To set a single bottom border, just click on the cell and under the Home tab, you will see here the option of borders. You need to click on the small downward arrow and you will see the option of bottom border. After clicking on this option, the bottom border will be applied. If you want to change the type of border, you can go back and under the line style, you can select the type of border. For example, double line border, and then just click on the bottom line. You can also change the color if you want to. Just go to the line color option and select the color. I am selecting here red color, and then just clicking on the bottom border will change the bottom border color. And then press escape on your keyboard to get out of the border mode. If you have multiple cells, you can select them and then just click on the borders option and select bottom border. In this way, you can set a single bottom border in Excel. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Excel quickly. See you again in the next one.